enter universal key duplicate and look for the standard key. Install the original key on the clamp, depending on guiding picture. Identify the original key bindings. The probe has to find the key position. The next is to find the key bindings. The machine is calculating the bindings. Just a few seconds. It will show you the shape of the key. Install the key blank on the clamp. If you click cut, this step is that the machine is finding the position of the key before cutting. Machine will remind, please remove the probe. Please follow the guiding picture. Click OK and start to cut the key. Compare original key and cutting key. Perfect cutting.